it's clear to me you're a bit of a builder. Definitely kind of seem to understand the concept of leveraging teams and communities for universal brand equity and growth. Would I be correct to assume you were one of the first to create a scholarship program?
Yes, actually, we were one of the first, or if not the first, in Malaysia. So I'm from Malaysia, and we had one of the fastest growing Axie scholarships in Malaysia.
I mean, it's pretty clear that the Lambda Clan is focused on Axie, and we can maybe talk a little bit about that a little bit deeper into the conversation. But tell us about Forgotten Ethereal Worlds. Where did that idea begin?
Yeah, so Forgotten Ethereal World started as a passion for landscape photography. So I'm a bit of a photographer myself. I picked it up when I was 13. Landscape photography has always been that passion of mine that I would love to travel the world, take photos of land, like beauty, sceneries, right? And so wanting to imbue that and give that feeling and the vibe back to the holders of that NFT was, and have it actually transform in real time with plant life. So plant life would actually grow. You start to see multiple stages of the NFT transform. So in a sense, we have actually been quite creative for that concept. And so we focus on 350 landscape NFTs and basically curated a very private builder collective group.
How do you look at team building? Because we're here at the collective, and as a personal belief system, we truly believe nobody achieves anything truly great by themselves. We all need help. We all need to leverage each other's skill sets and come together in a meaningful way. How have you looked at that, in terms of building relationships, in terms of building ongoing partnerships and teams and things like that?
Absolutely. So for me, I've gone through quite a lot of life lesson and business lesson this year in regards to, forming a team, growing and building that team, and creating that whole standard operating procedure, operation wise, culture wise,
Mm.
and so when you ask that question, it's a very deep question. It's a very big question to
Let's take it in
answer.
pieces. Let's take it in pieces. Let's go talent, and then we'll dive into culture and then SOPs.
Okay, so for the talent, when I first started at Few, I wanted to add value to the space, right? Didn't know how, but one of the ways that I could was through the alpha calls as well as the whitelist spots that I could secure back to my community. And so we have successfully done that. But in terms of building a project like the brand, the IP, you need a lot of moving like hands. There's a lot of moving parts to it. So finding the right talent, when I mean that, I mean someone that can take what you share with them, your vision, your ideas, to execute that. What NFTs projects lack is the lack of execution. All right, there's a lack of someone that can execute that vision, right? Do the tough work, do the operation, do the setup work, right? And maintaining that, right? A
Mm.
project founder is only as good as his people that can execute his vision. And so finding the right people for dev work, for art, for community management, for marketing, are all very crucial.